Like it's not. I think I can see one of the issues. I need to put this off so that I can set this. So I can set this burner very well. It's already hot. It's not. So na risk I dey take. Oh, yes, na risk I dey take. Let me go and read this night. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead to pour my sunflower oil. You can use any vegetable oil, any oil of your choice. This is what we get here. This kind of look, this is kind of cheaper than vegetable oil here. So we just go with sunflower oil. Which water is this? So let me know if you are team go for cheap or team go for what you've been using. Let me know. Are you team go for affordable or team go for what you have been using, irrespective of the affordability? Let me know. For me, if I use this one shoe soap to bathe, and if I know that there's a cheaper soap that does the same thing, I go for it. So I'm team affordable. If it costs me a lot of my money, I leave you and go to a better brand that is cheaper and does the same thing. Let me know in the comment section. Are you team go for affordable or team stick on what you'll be using? Knowing fully well that both the affordable one and the one you're using, which might probably be expensive, does the same thing. So this is the vegetable I'm going to use. I'm going to use this vegetable. The vegetable mix carrots, pea, green bean, and sweet corn. So there's no spring onion. And a pack of this in UK is about 99 pence. And I wasn't using this before. I was using the one on £1.25. And it was, however, it was sectioned in four. You can see like four packs inside. And when I stumbled on this, I like, this is value for money. So I jumped on it. So I've saved myself some money. Let me know if you're team save or team go for what I'm used to. So I think the oil is hot. Let me check my rice first of all. Let me check my rice. Yeah, what is that? Okay, there's still water inside. There's still water in the rice. So now I go in with my chopped onion. I'm still going to use this stick to fry. Yeah. And I don't put all the onion. At the end of my frying, I'm still gonna put this. So we fry for a few minutes. Let me know, are you team affordable or team go for what I'm used to? In terms of when you want to buy groceries or skincare or clothing, let me know. Let me know. Send me some love if you are still with me. Send some love, please. Are you still with me? Are you guys still with me? Are you guys still with me? Ooh, really? Let me see my settings. Let me see my settings. Ugh. Ooh, maybe that's the reason. Oof. Ooh, what do I do? before my food burn, I think I'm still